Here at OCtech, we have a history of preparing students for good jobs and great careers. And as you watch the series of videos that we produced, think less about the programs that we offer, but more about how these programs have changed the lives of our graduates and have the ability to change your life as well.
Our associate degree nursing program leads students to a career as a registered nurse. We have 3 tracks available to students. The traditional program is 5 semesters, while our transition and flex options offer licensed practical nurses a faster track to earn their ADN. This is an intense program that requires a lot of dedicated study time. All of our ADN students participate in a variety of clinical settings, from the operating room to psychiatric rotations in our local hospitals in Orangeburg and Columbia. When they're on campus, they're practicing in our 29-bed skills lab or our 8-bed simulation lab. The state-of-the-art sim lab has a pediatric and adult mannequin where students can practice real-life scenarios. It's like you're actually in there with the patient.
Who are you?
We even have a maternal newborn simulation where students can deliver babies and do newborn assessments. This lab provides a safe environment for students to learn, ask questions, and make mistakes. What you learn on day 1, you're going to have to know until death do you part. And learning will never stop. Students apply up to 6 months before our nursing programs begin and must attend a health information session, or better known as HIP, to get the application. Graduates can work in acute care, critical care, surgery, home health, long-term care. Basically, registered nurses can work anywhere. The job opportunities are limitless, and you will always have a job.
My name is Joshua Valentine. I'm a registered nurse. I'm a traveling emergency room nurse. I go from state to state. As a traveling nurse, I get to see a lot of new places, get to meet a lot of new people, people that I would have never met if I would have stayed at one facility. It also gives the opportunity to make a lot more money, especially due to the recent spikes in COVID. As a student coming into nursing, I recommend that you get ready to study really hard and just keep striving. It's hard, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
The demand for nursing is tremendous. Not just South Carolina, but the entire United States has a great need. Some of the most recent studies that I saw is that nursing is now cited as the 3rd most demand career in the United States. Having worked with the OCtech College, we have been so impressed here with the types of graduates that they have, and even their nursing students coming over. They've been clinically trained, they've had a lot of skills lab type practice, and they come here knowing, being able to connect the theory along with the clinical hands-on application, which is huge for us. One of the things that's very interesting, especially for younger people to know, is that a nursing degree, when you get out of school, within usually the first year or so, you can easily be at a salary of anywhere from probably $55,000 to $75,000 starting off, and then within a very short period of time, depending on which career path you go up, you can easily end up at $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 salary.